Modern Real Estate Practice, page 420. Carbon monoxide, CO, is a colorless, odorless gas that is byproduct of fuel burning and is produced by portable generators, furnaces, water heaters, space heaters, including kerosene heaters, fireplaces, and wood stoves. Inhaling carbon monoxide may cause carbon monoxide poisoning, which can result in death unless the gas is properly vented. Carbon monoxide is detectable with available carbon monoxide detectors, which may be required by state law. Polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, which are suspected of causing health problems, may be found in electrical equipment. The manufacturer and commercial distribution of polychlorinated biphenyls has been banned since 1979. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, used in refrigerators, aerosol sprays, paints, solvents, and foam applications, are no longer manufactured worldwide, for the most part since 1996, and have been replaced by available environmentally friendly substitutes for home appliances. Mold is present in the air everywhere and grows in the presence of moisture, oxygen, and an organic food source. Some molds can cause serious health problems. The EPA has guidelines for remediation and/or cleanup of mold and moisture problems in schools and commercial buildings. Real estate professionals should recommend a mold inspection if mold is evident or suspected because of water problems. Groundwater is found under the Earth's surface and forms the water table. The Safe Drinking Water Act, SDWA, of 1974 regulates the public drinking water supply. On transfer of property, any water source other than a municipal supply should be tested, as should any septic system. Underground storage tanks, USTs, which contain petroleum products, industrial chemicals, and other substances, are a concern because the leakage may imperil both public and private water sources. USTs are subject to federal law regulated by EPA and state law, which is sometimes stronger than federal law. When a purchase is being considered, a careful inspection of any property on which USTs are suspected should be conducted. Water disposal sites can be owned by municipalities, be part of commercial enterprises, or be found on farms and other rural properties. A landfill disposal site, whether excavated or making use of previously mined property, is lined to prevent seepage, capped with soil for aesthetic reasons, and vented to release gases created by decomposing waste. Brownfields legislation encourages development of abandoned properties by shielding innocent developers from liability for toxic wastes that existed at a site prior to purchase. The Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act, CERCLA, is administered and enforced by EPA. CERCLA is established a superfund to clean up uncontrolled hazardous waste sites and identifies potential responsible parties, PRPs. Strict liability means that the landowner has no defense to the responsibility for cleanup. Joint and several liability means that each of several landowners is responsible for the entire cleanup, and retroactive liability occurs when the present owner and previous owners are considered responsible for cleanup. CERCLA also defines when innocent landowner immunity applies. Page 421. Environmental liability issues for real estate professionals include discovery of environmental hazards by questioning the owner and recommending an environmental site assessment, ESA. A Phase 1 ESA is a physical examination of the property and investigation of its history. A Phase 2 ESA includes sampling of soil and other materials and is performed if it appears a problem may exist. An environmental impact statement, EIS, is required for federally funded projects and may be required by the state or locality. State laws cover disclosure of known material facts regarding property condition, which may include environmental hazards.